Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and now I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button, we can see that I can activate the camera application, and just to switch the launch, for example, to this quick launch to turn on, for example, the torch, or we should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the additional settings, then tap to the gesture shortcuts, and here we can see the launch camera section. Here we can see our this feature, so we can turn it off now, and just to switch it to the torch, click here to turn on torch and click once on the switcher. After that, by double press to power key, we can see that the torch is activated successfully, and to turn it off, once again you should click here on the power key button twice. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.